So, first we do this. We gotta scrub this side. Ready? Do it with me. Because we have to do it. We have to do it a lot of strength. Ready? Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we gotta scrub this part. We gotta scrub this part.
My hand came down on this.
Okay, how's that?
Good. That's great, Mom.
Oh, do you mean it?
Mean it. Let's make this house two-pot clean.
If you want to get in here and scrub the tub with me, you can use this green cloth and scrub the whole bottom. And stand inside there so that you don't hurt yourself.
Don't worry, I can manage.
Spray a little bit more. That's a perfect amount. You kind of want to spray just on that.
Yes. Oh, I want pot there.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move this stuff forward.
Mom, don't talk at me. I'll be right back. I bring the towel to me.
In case you're wondering, Abraham is doing an experiment to see if he can get this construction paper to dissolve. He's unsatisfied with how dissolved it has been, so this is an experiment. I'm supporting that. The ladder is in the laundry room, I think, my love.
You can say I heard to take it out.
Oh, well in that case, it's wherever you took it out. This is going to be sparkly.
Like a pot with placing a wall.
Exactly, doodle. Good job, yeah. So we want to scrub all the parts.
Even pointy, teeny tight bits. How do we do it? I've never done this.
It's a good question. You just scrub it like this, just like you would the table. Spray it all over for me.
Both of us. I can do it.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. You can scrub the whole face. Scrub the bottoms too.
Yeah.
Because it gets all dirty otherwise.
They're whole dirty.
Yeah.
I don't know how they have got whole dirty. They're welcome country. I think I know.
Now, one thing that I don't see in a lot of cleaning videos, but it's really honest, so I have a mostly potty trained boy And oh, move out of my way real quick, just 1 second. I just want to talk to him and say one thing real quick, and then we can help more. Thank you. Is that you do have to keep an extra close eye on cleaning the potty. Okay, you just gotta move out of my way real quick. Real quick. Real quick. And I don't want you doing the potty, my love. It's too dirty. And I always do the bases now and the pedestal. And I just check under the toilet seat for extra stuff. So normally I would be using gloves for this, but I just thought I would pop on here and say this real quick. You know, when you're potty training, when you have the early stages of potty training for little kids, especially boys, they just pee all over the place. And so it's something that, you know, as a woman, I wouldn't necessarily think to check, but now as a mama with a potty training boy, you know, we're there. He goes in the potty, but the aim we're still working on. So, you know, I do a little extra scrubbing and an extra deal of work. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands and wear my gloves. Okay, we're back. We've washed our fingies. But I just want to talk about that. I thought that was an important PSA because it's something I hadn't thought of, and I was like, oh yeah. That is something that I've learned. So we are gonna do the glass door on the window, not yet, my love. The glass door on the shower. Let me turn you around.
I go play.
There you go.
When Mama wants me down.
Go spray, spray. Spray the whole door. Go up high. Go down low. That's plenty. That's plenty. Go grab your towel. These are so much easier to keep clean than the curtains, the shower curtains, I will say. Those I just end up, like I clean, but they have to just be replaced. So it's nice to have, you know, a flat surface to scrub. Good job. I don't scrub it nearly as much as I should. Good work. Can I have a turn too? I'll do the high up, the down low.
No, not quite. This time.
Good job. I'm a little kid who does for chores, you know. Not the outcome necessarily that I'm looking for at this age. It's just getting you helpful. This that's not coming down. And if I'm being honest, a lot of the time he just refuses to help even though I try to get him to. But, you know, we're learning, I think increasingly, that it's fun to clean. It's nice to have it, but oh, that keeps the water from spraying out and hurting the floor. So you don't want to hurt it. That is just so satisfying to clean up. Oh my goodness. You can see his little thing in the corner from IKEA. It's like a little tube you crawl through. And because I'm a Trekkie, I think of it as the Jeffries tube. And I go, oh man, I wish I had that as a kid. It's a lot of fun. Hey Biscuits, thank you so much for watching this vlog and giving them thumbs up and subscribing. I love sharing my honest mommy life here, and I thought mommy clean with me would be pretty fun because, you know, I spend a lot of my week cleaning. I do. Sometimes Abraham helps, sometimes he more sits there and growls. Often, you know, he makes huge messes while I'm trying to clean, but together we manage to have, you know, a house that's only moderately a disaster zone most of the time, which I think is a success personally. I would love it if you clicked down in the description box, went to my homeware store. So I have a little store of t-shirts and mugs and awesome hats that I designed, and I would love it if you would check those out. It means the world to me whenever I get a message from somebody that bought a hat or a t-shirt and really loves it. It's really special. And you can always check out all of my romance novels. My full-time gig is as a romance author. I've taken a little step back from that at the beginning of this year because I had other things going on. And now I'm come back to it, and there's a new book coming out soon, so I'm very excited. So feel free to click on over there. I link to my Amazon author page that lists all of my available titles. Hey, until next time, I'm going to see you all around on Instagram. I'm going to see you on my other channel. I'll see you all over. Love you, Biscuits.